Well, it looks like some mild air slowly heading our way over the course of the next couple of days, but that cold air is still in place, causing some problems in the meantime. But you can see what's going to happen. There's the cold air, and as we just drag the air from the south and the west through the course of the next few days, southern parts of Britain in particular will certainly start to see a bit of a warm-up of sorts. But in the meantime, we'll still have some problems with some snow and ice as we start off the course of the morning. Bear it in mind, that is the mass of cloud working in. Notice this first curl here, then this is the main low that'll work in, but across parts of Scotland, do watch out for the risk for the snow and ice. That's how we start the morning. There could be a fresh 5, 10, maybe even more than that across some of the western upslopes of Scotland. Further south you'll see some wintry showers too to northern parts of England. South from that it is a cold, frosty start for the most part, but just a small risk for the odd icy spot as well, particularly across some of the western areas come towards, say, parts of southwest England. This moisture working in, it should be mainly rain here, but it's just as it works in, hits perhaps some of the cold ground just in the first part of the morning. Bear it in mind, maybe across parts of southwest England to the Midlands, parts of Wales, as that moisture works in, and certainly a nice risk as well across parts of Northern Ireland, but otherwise temperatures here should then be starting to rise as we work our way through the rest of the morning. It's a bit of a mess, really. The main area of snow is across higher ground of Scotland, 10 maybe 20 centimetres into the western upslopes there. That'll push away, and then notice this mass here works in snow for a time. It continues to churn its way in, mainly rain through the late parts of the morning. You're still waiting for it across the south and east because it's moving in more of that direction, but by the afternoon it's a soggy afternoon across the south and the west. Green crayons, here we are. Yep, that's some heavier downpours working in towards parts of Cornwall, towards Devon, across parts of Wales as well. 7, 8 degrees for Cardiff, and then even further north and west to, say, Northern Ireland. A soggy old afternoon here and there as we see some of the heavier downpours, some of the darker colours working in. Across parts of Scotland for a time, it'll more than likely be rain, but some of the higher spots still probably seeing it as snow and a bit more patchy in places, and then coming south to, say, parts of northern England, we'll see some of this patchy rain working its way through. Finishing numbers, you're still waiting for the rain across the south and east, because if anything is moving more north and sitting across some western areas, that is the whole mass. Do watch out on this northwestern edge, turning back to snow across parts of Scotland, and then as it clears away and a fairly keen northerly wind pretty quickly, there could be quite a nice risk Tuesday morning. Just bear it in mind as you work through the day. Then otherwise Tuesday is a fine looking day, bright skies for the most part. Another weather system, some wet weather though, coming in for the course of Wednesday. That's the weather for now.